In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna with PayPal. Easy. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pay with PayPal at stores that don't accept Klarna directly while still using your Klarna spending plan. We're going to link a digital Klarna card to your PayPal wallet, and it only takes a few minutes. Start in your Klarna account, log in on the app or the web, whichever you prefer. Head to the wallet section where Klarna keeps your payment tools. If you're new to Klarna's cards, keep in mind that availability can vary by country and account status. Make sure your profile is up to date and verified so you don't run into avoidable checks or limits later. Inside Wallet, choose Create New Card, then apply for the digital Klarna card. This is a virtual Visa card that Klarna issues to you. The application is typically quick. Once approved, Klarna will display the card number, expiration date, and security code. Treat this like any other card. Keep it secure and don't share it publicly. You can copy these details now or keep the Klarna app handy so you can reference them when you link it to PayPal. Now switch over to PayPal and log in. From the main dashboard, go to Pay and Get Paid, then open Banks and Cards. Here, choose Link a Card. You're adding it just like any credit or debit card. When PayPal asks for the card info, enter the virtual Klarna card number, the expiration date, the security code, and the billing address. For the smoothest approval, use the same billing address that's on your Klarna profile. PayPal may place a small, temporary authorization to verify the card, which usually drops off automatically. Click Link Card to finish. Once PayPal confirms it's added, you'll see your Klarna card listed in your wallet alongside your other funding methods. Here's how to use it. When you're shopping at a store that accepts PayPal but not Klarna, choose PayPal at checkout. Log in, and when PayPal asks how you want to pay, select your Klarna card as the funding source. Complete the purchase as usual. Klarna will then handle the repayment on their side according to the plan you've chosen, while the merchant simply sees a normal PayPal card transaction. If something doesn't go through, the most common causes are an address mismatch, a spending limit on the Klarna card, regional availability, or a temporary authorization hold. Double check those details and try again. That's it. Your Klarna and PayPal now work together, giving you more flexibility wherever PayPal is accepted.